Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious gelatin-free marshmallows. First, let's get our pan ready. Line an 8 by 8 inch baking pan with parchment paper, then dust it generously with a mixture of powdered sugar and cornstarch. This prevents sticking. Next, in a stand mixer, combine 1/2 cup of aquafaba, which is chickpea liquid, with 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar. Whip this on high speed for 6 to 10 minutes until it forms very stiff, fluffy peaks. Now, let's prepare the crucial agar syrup. In a small saucepan, combine 2/3 cup of water with 1 tablespoon of agar powder. Bring this mixture to a boil, stirring frequently for about 3 minutes to ensure the agar dissolves completely. Then, add 1 and 1/4 cups of granulated sugar. Continue to boil this over medium-low heat for another 3 minutes, stirring constantly to prevent burning or caramelization. This syrup will give our marshmallows their structure. This is where the magic happens. With your mixer still running on high, slowly and carefully drizzle the hot agar syrup into the whipped aquafaba mixture. Continue to whip this on high speed for about 5 to 8 minutes. During the last few minutes, add 1 to 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract for flavor. Keep whipping until the mixture becomes glossy, significantly thickens, and forms very stiff peaks that hold their shape beautifully. Once whipped, immediately pour the fluffy marshmallow mixture into your prepared pan, spreading it evenly with a spatula. It sets quickly, so work efficiently. Now, let the marshmallows rest uncovered at room temperature for at least 4 to 6 hours, or until they are completely firm. Finally, dust the top with more powdered sugar and cornstarch, then cut them into your desired shapes. Enjoy your homemade gelatin-free treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.